One more race, here we go, nice boys! Slap the stick now, bring up! Yeah, you look good! Taking it to go to our segment, here we go, first two! It's actually called Intensive Spot. There we go, take it, couple more of these. Like it. Lay them down, gentle twist. Thompson here, other side. Two, and then move this way. Are you ready with none of moves? To the left. Shoulder tapping. Shoulders. Mind up, shoulder. Pop, pop. Move it. Hit the ball. Shoulders. Again, here we go. Today. Cut yourself a bit top. Knock the toes. I love it. You look so good. Twist, remember twisting? Now we got a big crowd wave, let me see it. Remember what to do? 5, 4, 3,
So keep it up, quench my desire, and I'll be at your side forevermore. You know your love keep on lifting higher, higher and higher. I said your love keep on
Just gone past through the starting line, so we're heading out. Doing a 10k walk to support of breast cancer. How many walks have you done now?
Hey,
This is your third one.
yeah.
Alright, 10k's. Let's go.
higher, higher and higher. I said your love keep on lifting higher, higher and higher. I said your love keep on lifting higher and higher. Now once.
Mad support crew, man. Everybody's getting amongst it, even the workers, the road workers. TC Traffic Control, shout out to the boys. Let's go.
I was downhearted. Disappointment was my closest friend. But then you came and it soon departed.
Alright, we're heading down to Mission Bay now, so I think we've done like 3k's. Another 8 to go. Smash it up, lad. People are
These are the people probably are pointing to the outside.
This this?
Yeah, to get down from the bridge.
I hate this.
Never showed his face again. That's why your love keep on lifting higher, higher and higher. I said your love keep on lifting higher, higher and higher. I said your love keep on lifting higher and higher.
Man, you know what's crazy? I forgot to do an intro. Sorry, I even forgot to tell you guys what we're doing today. Today, we're doing a 10K walk. We're doing it for breast cancer. For all our loved ones that have passed on with breast cancer, all our surviving ones with breast cancer. Doing this for you guys. Anyways, hope you guys enjoy it. I love you, family.
I'm so glad I finally found you. Yes, that one in a million, girl. And now with my loving arms around you.
Okay, I'm just gonna call it 5 kilometers, man. We're halfway there. We're down at the near the wharf, Auckland Wharf. Soldiering on. Pretty cold. And windy as hell. But soldier on, man. Cracking on, bruh.
I can stand up and face the world. You know your love for lifting higher, higher and higher. I said your love.
Hold on.
Nice guys. Righto. Just hit Brittle Mount. And then apparently there's a big hill. I don't know if it's too big. This is my first time walking it, but there's a hill. How big is the hill, lad? Too big apparently. But yeah, that's coming up, so it's a nice walk. Highly recommend it, man. So if you really want to do it, like there's 2 walks. There's a 10K that we're doing right now, and there's a 5K. 10K is actually good. I mean, today it was a stink day.
Yeah.
It was windy, it was raining, but the pink army showed up. And I guess the clouds just disappeared. Check this out, man. Take your neighbor town. Hi, ladies. That's it, man. Stop, have a drink. Refreshing up. Oh, the last time I was here was in the Ula Valley days, you know, clubbing in it, when this was clubs.
When you're a gangster.
Yo. So yeah, all this used to be the clubs back then.
Little white bees that run around thinking like they're gangs.
She ain't wrong. But man, so much has changed around here in town. See, you know, crazy thing is, when I'm drunk, I know my way around town. You know?
That's the monkey.
When I'm sober, I have no idea where the hell I am. Good thing I've stopped drinking, so. Coming up onto the hill there on Leo Singh. That apparently is hard. But I'm looking at it. I'm looking at it, and Palomino Drive is way higher than this. I don't know what she's on about. Smash it. Okay, I'm not gonna lie, the hill is pretty high. It is pretty high. Let's crack it, lad. camera angle ain't doing justice for it, man. It's pretty steep.
Disappointment was my closest friend. But then you came and he soon departed. And you know he never showed his face again. You know your love was lifting higher, higher and higher. I said your love was lifting higher, higher and higher. I said your love.
At the top. Not even. Looks like we're only halfway. Let's go, bro.
I said your love was lifting higher, higher and higher. I said your love.
Alright, I think we're at the top now. Should be smooth sailing from here, huh? Hopefully.
Higher and higher.
Mate, I can smash like 5 of those right now. So, wait. Sorry to Auckland traffic out there, man. We're holding up a lot of traffic. All for a good cause, though. Just some people there, they look happy, eh? Hey boys. Yeah, I don't know how far this traffic goes back to, eh? But it looks pretty far. To the mothers, sisters, cousins, aunties, grandmothers. Know the norm. Okay, because the stats I heard today was 1 out of 9 New Zealand women will pass with breast cancer. So, know the norm. Get the message out there to the sisters, aunties, mothers, and grandmothers. Okay, last push. Let's go.
Now once I was downhearted.
Hey boys. Just around the corner from where we started, so 10Ks, man, done smashed.
If you have time, come down, support, donate, walk, show love to someone who's going through their journey, someone who's finished their journey, and some who have gone home. So 5K, 10K is nothing compared to the battle that people go through. Yeah, that's it. I'm bloody hungry.
So yeah, know the norm. Know the norm. That's the message they're spreading today. Know the norm. Aku know the norm, my family, know the norm. But we'll valifi aia so. Hey, look at that. It's raining now. So the rain held off. Good 10 kg walk. Oh, kgs? Kilometers. And it just happens to rain now. Everybody's celebrating. It was a good walk. The rain held off until now. Yeah. I think there was Filipinos winner of Philippines Got Talent. I don't know, I'm seeing sounded like Brian McKnight, don't you reckon? Okay. Let's push me home. Yeah, the TC boys.
Disappointment was my closest friend, but then you came and he soon departed, and you know he never showed his face again. That's why your love oh, lifted me higher, higher and higher. I said your love oh, lifted me higher, higher and higher. I said your love keep on lifting me higher and higher. Oh, I'm so glad I finally found you. Yes, that one in a million girls. And now with my loving arms around you, honey, I can stand up and face the world. You know your love oh, lifting.
Ready to pick up the ball.
I say.
Your fan club is right here. Look at them cheering all out of her right here.
Did it. Oh, cheers. Thank you.
Higher and higher. I said your love oh, lifting higher, higher and higher. I said your love oh, lifting higher, higher and higher. I said your love keep on lifting higher and higher. Now once I was down on
All right, team. That's us for today. Pulled up for the breast cancer walk. We did the 10K. Enjoyed it. Really loved it. The rain held off. The wind wasn't too strong. It was a really nice walk. It was a really good walk. So yeah, if you feel like doing it next year, remember there's two types. There's a 10 kg, there's a 5 kg. You know, do it on your own pace as well. But the support will mean so much to all those that are fighting it, that have fought it, and lived through it. Yeah, share some love. Yeah, that's us. Heading home now. We're gonna go for feeds.
The Korean place.
There you have it. We're gonna be going to the Korean place. Hungry. Okay, bye man.